Hello everybody, my name is Kunal Chawla and you are watching Designamo Design House. So there are times when you feel that if an object was not present in your picture would have looked finer. So today I am here to resolve this problem. So today I will be using the clone tool of the Photoshop to remove an object in the picture. There are many ways through which you can remove an object from the picture, but the most basic process is by using the clone tool and the pen tool in the Photoshop. So let me show you how I am gonna do this. So now you all can see my screen. So now I am opening the Photoshop. So for this tutorial I have used my own photo. So in this picture I want to remove the chairs which are beside me. So for this, first of all I will be zooming in and making a selection using the pen tool. So this pen tool is so amazing that I will be dedicating a video over this pen tool in the future. So first of all I will be selecting my pen tool, and now I will be making a selection right here. So I have selected my pen tool. Now I'm going to make a selection here. So I have started. So I will be just taking it from here. Yes. So you can draw curves using the pen tool as well. So I am making the curves. So now my selection is completed. Now to make it official, I will be just right clicking. Now when I right click, now I will be selecting the make selection and I will be adding a feather radius. Now what is a feather radius? It will mash up the things. If the things go wrong, it will just mash up the things around itself. So I will be just adding 4 pixels of feather radius to it. So I have added the 4 pixels feather radius to it. So now I have made the selection. Now I will be using the clone stamp tool. So here is my clone stamp tool. I will be just selecting it. Now I will be specifying the source by using the Alt key. Now what is the source? From this source it will be taking the image and it will be just copying that portion and will be pasting it where I will be just dragging my cursor. So now you can see the magic. I am just specifying the source and I am just dragging my cursor and the objects are just removing. So in this clone tool, basically what is the problem? You have to just find a perfect match, a perfect blend through which you can make the image look realistic. So I am just doing the same. I am just again and again specifying the source and finding my perfect match. So now I am just removing the object now. I will be taking it from here. Now I'm going to fast forward this process. So now as you can see I have done my work. Now what I want it somewhat realistic. So first of all I will be deselecting the area. So Control D to deselect first, and then I will be just adding some more texture to it so that it looks realistic. I have again specified the source, and now I am again using the clone stamp tool to just give it a good texture, a good blend. and we are done. So this is how we are going to remove an object by using the clone stamp tool and the pen tool. I hope you loved my video, and if you did, do like and subscribe to this channel, and also click on that notification icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video over this channel. And also follow me over my social media handles, link is in the description. And if you are new to this channel, do check out my previous videos present in the cards. So this is Kunal Chawla aka Designamo signing off.